what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zoe if you are new here, and today I have a special guest with me. I have my husband.
Hi, I'm Carlos.
He's going to be doing my makeup today. This should be fun. If you haven't already, please subscribe before you leave, and also you can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Those both are zoe.heynow. It'll be linked down in the description below. If you want to see what my husband comes up with, then just keep watching.
I just use any color?
Any color you want, babe.
I don't need to put like spray or anything for your eyes?
No.
For it to stick?
Hell, you can spray my eyes with. I don't use spray. I use something, but I can't help you.
You use spray for your eyes?
No, I don't use spray. I use something
Concealer?
else. But I can't help you.
So I have to look at your video?
Please don't. No, you just do what you want to do right now. But please don't spray me in the eyes with something.
I don't want my eye blush to roll off.
What?
Eye blush.
What the hell is eye blush?
You know.
What is eye blush?
Eye powder.
Eyeshadow.
Yeah. You can't laugh. So you start off in the middle.
What palette are you using?
The Anastasia Beverly Hills Morphe. Modern Renaissance.
The Modern Renaissance palette.
I know I'm supposed to do something like on your eyelid right here. Is it a different color, like a shimmery shine?
You can, yeah.
Cool. This is also eye blush.
Eyeshadow. Why do you keep calling it eye blush? And why are you using that tiny pencil?
For this part.
Are you putting it as eyeliner, or are you putting it as, like, all over?
All over.
Okay, let me just help you.
No.
That's not the right brush. Choose a
It's
different brush. Alright, so while he's doing my makeup, I'm going to do some questions to, like, get to know us. So how did we meet?
Met at the mall.
When I was working and I helped him out, and he asked me to go out with him that night, and we've been together ever since. Crazy.
Alright, so the key to doing your eyes is to blend.
Blend.
Make sure you're blending.
Very, very good, babe. Very good. What was your first opinion of me?
You reminded me of Selena Gomez, who was my girl crush at the time. Not anymore, so.
Dang. Not anymore. Like, you don't like Selena Gomez anymore, or you?
No, I do.
I don't look like Selena Gomez anymore.
I like her, but I moved on.
Oh, okay.
But you still
Remind you of your girl crush.
are my girl crush.
Good answer.
Blending.
Good answer. When did we get married? Are you serious?
February 13th, 2014.
Just speak up.
Oh, we got married February 14th, 2013. Wait. February. Damn.
13.
February 13th, 2014.
Wow.
See, I can't focus and do this. This is hard. I'm blending.
I can't. Make sure they can see. You're like tilting my head this way.
So first you gotta, brush out your eyebrow.
I'm like worried about you doing my
I don't
eyebrows.
know. No, they're gonna look hot. So what's the point of this?
It's making me look like I have nicer eyebrows than I actually do. Two pumps. Don't go more than two.
2 pumps. So you just want to pat it in. Just put it on her face. Everywhere.
Man, why are you so rough?
Yep.
Like poking me.
And then you get a brush, preferably this one, And you just wanna, you know, put it in. Like dab.
Like dab.
Dab all over her face. Now you wanna get the foundation. Alright, what's all this? I like this one.
Okay.
Makeup Forever. Ultra HD. So you gotta put some, start with the cheeks, you know. You put some right here. Put some right here. Go down like that. Then come off to the sides like that. Kind of like football. Alright.
Alright.
So now you want to smear it around, blend it in. Yeah. Just cover everything. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to use this.
Okay, dab, 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 dab. Okay, there you go.
I'm gonna put more foundation.
Okay. One more.
Because I messed up with the brush. Stupid brush.
Stupid brush.
Whatever you do, you want to dab. Just.
It's like a facial massage.
Yep. So now you're blending. You gotta do this like motion technique. And dab. Alright, looking good. Wow.
Wow.
Pretty
Awesome.
happy with the result
Alright.
of the dab.
You used a lot of foundation, so I hope you're happy with the result.
Okay. Think we're done?
We're done with foundation?
Everything.
I'm not done with everything.
Alright, so we're going to use the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer. Okay.
Do you know where to put concealer?
Huh?
You know where to put it?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Those two.
Wow, you pay attention to my foundation routine.
That's my favorite video.
It's everybody's favorite video on my channel.
Alright. And then you use your finger.
You can use your finger.
Bro.
Hmm?
Or a brush.
Can you use it though?
Or the dab master.
It's called a beauty blender, but yeah, you can use any of this. You can use
Alright,
it like
beauty
a
blender was
brush.
pretty fun. Now we're going to go down. No, stay up here.
You're gonna go down. Go down where?
Right here. Down your nose.
Alright.
And then grab the dab. And blend. Blending is key.
Grab the dab.
Grab the dab.
Would you do a voiceover for one of my videos?
Me?
Yeah. Where I do my makeup, but you voice it over to like tell them what I'm doing.
Yeah, of course, that's easy.
Okay. Give this video a thumbs up if you think that my husband should do a voiceover to one of my tutorials. See how he does.
You better be using the dab master. It's my favorite. You know, get some right here. Just go down with it.
What's that called?
What?
That part of my lip.
This part?
Mm-hmm.
Upper lip. The Cupid's bow.
Cupid's bow. Good job.
I think I'm stupid. I know this makeup stuff.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty easy. So if you do something on one side, you have to match it on the other. You don't want to look crazy. It's like working out.
If you guys don't know, my husband has a fitness channel and he is a fitness motivator on Instagram. That's why he just referenced fitness. But I will leave his stuff linked down below in the description so you guys can check him out.
Alright. You're hot. Alright. Damn, I don't know what to do from here.
This is as far as you got in my foundation video.
Pretty much. Now we're doing the upper eyelid.
Brow bone.
Yes, the brow bone. And blend. Blending is key if you haven't noticed. I hope you're paying attention to this because this is important.
If you're wondering why we're filming where we're filming, it's because we're on vacation in Orlando right now, so.
Vacation or vacation?
Vacation. But we're gonna be here for 3 weeks, so I can't go without, you know, filming or uploading for 3 weeks.
Oh yeah, we can't forget the bottom part. Because you gotta blend it with your skin. So it looks natural. All natural.
Okay.
Up here. God. Yeah. Alright,
Your reaction, oh my goodness.
Alright, so blush.
It's a lot on there. Goodness.
Wow. You look great. Okay.
This is how he's slapping me for.
It's a technique that nobody knows about. This lipstick.
Ooh. Last thing, highlighter.
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 Blowing technique.
I know what blowing does.
Come on, YouTube fam, don't be harsh on me.
Alright, so this is the first time I'm gonna see myself. See how this goes. Oh, you didn't do horrible. Wow, you didn't do great. You didn't do that bad on my face.
You look exactly how I met you.
This is what I looked like when you met me.
Yeah,
Damn, I was fine.
yeah you were.
I got like Egyptian eyeliner.
Yeah. Not too bad.
Not too bad. Alright, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you want to see any more videos with my husband, any like husband tags or him doing my voiceover, story times, anything like that. Like, just let me know and I will have him film with me. Leave a comment down below on what you guys want to see from me next, and you'll find all of his information down in the description. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe and join our little family, help us grow, and until next time guys, bye.
Alright, bye guys. See you next time. Subscribe below.